Hi guys and girls, I'm Ruby and I'm here on the North Holmes Road campus where I've recently finished my first year as a medieval and early modern studies student. In this vlog I'm going to be taking you guys through my top 5 tips to make friends and connect with new people. My first tip, which is my favourite tip, is to get online. There's so many opportunities to meet other students in Canterbury on social media, it's honestly so amazing. I think this time last year, I was trying to follow CCCU on as many social media accounts as possible, and I joined lots of group chats and it helped me feel so much more comfortable. Hopefully if you guys follow this tip, you'll feel more comfortable too, knowing that you have friends already here in Canterbury waiting to meet you. So this time last year, one of my genuinely biggest fears was that I wouldn't fit in, or that I wouldn't find anyone that I had anything in common with. And when this changed was when I started lectures. It wasn't until I began speaking to people on my course and in my lectures that I actually realised that we all have something in common. I promise you guys and girls, it really is easier than you think to make friends with people you have something genuinely in common with and that you really do love. So my second tip definitely is to utilise the people on your course. After all, you'll probably be stuck with them for a good few years. So my next tip for you lovely people is one that I'm still doing myself and I've just finished. I have just come out of a wildlife wellbeing session and we have been doing all different work in a wildlife garden. But the tip is to just get involved in uni life. There's so many opportunities out there for you to join in and meet new people and network with both staff and students. And I honestly think that some of the nicest people I met have been through societies and events that I've been part of this year. So that's my tip. Make sure you utilise all the time you can to get involved in the events and societies, sports teams, whatever you can. And for the record, my favourite have been Tuesday Chill, my Arts and Crafts Society that I'm part of, and probably the Canterbury Christ Church Freshers event this year.
Those are the things that have really helped me personally to get out and to meet people and to begin to make friends. I get quite anxious when I meet new people and I really don't know what to say sometimes. So this tip is actually something that's quite obvious, but I rely on this so much and it really does help. And that tip is to ask people questions about themselves. Generally people love to talk about themselves and what they like and what they're into. So when I meet new people, I literally just say to them like,
what are you watching on Netflix at the minute?
So chatting to them, asking them questions is a really good way to get to know people and to work out where you stand in making new relationships and forming friendships. Finally, my last tip for you guys and girls is to actually just be patient with yourself and to remember that most friendships don't form on cue. You're probably here for quite a few years, so you've got lots of time to put my tips and tricks into practice, but also just to meet people and to network organically. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just drop them down below and we will get back to you and have a chat. Other than that, if you want to subscribe and like this video, I'd be so grateful, and you'll have plenty more access to all our fantastic videos that go up. Other than that, guys, take care. Bye.